Okay, so I'm now going to fit the oil filter. A couple of things about that. To begin with, I've kind of opened up the end. I've got like a drift which is tapered, and I've put that in the end, like so, and just opened it up, because some of these replacement oil filters, this one included, has got quite a small opening, and all the oil is going to be pumped through there, and so we want to make sure that the oil can get through nice and easily. So that's going to go in, and then I've got the old cap here. Now I've checked it and I'm not happy with the threads. It's quite common for the threads to go on these because they've taken off so many times over the years with the oil changes, and they don't look too great to me though. So I've bought a new cap. I mean, the last thing you want is for the old cap, to come loose while you're riding, or worse still, come off. Obviously you lose all your oil pressure, and you could damage the threads in the crankcase, and of course that would be a bit of a nightmare to repair. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this on without the filter in, just to check it fits all okay, as it should do. I know that the threads, just check, I'm not going to cross thread it or whatever. That's the last thing I want to do. Yeah, just check it goes on nice and smooth. Yeah. Yeah. Good. I'm just going to run it in a couple of times. Let's run it all the way in. Yeah, just check it's all okay. There we go. I've greased the threads, as you can probably see there. Because it's a new cap. Now I'm going to take it back out again. Now I know that it fits okay. Whoops. Then we're going to put the oil filter in with the tang facing outwards. The tang's great because it helps us pull the filter out when it's ready to be changed. And then we have a spring that goes over the tang, and that fits in the hole in the cap and holds the filter nice and in the right position. But the spring is quite strong and will resist us trying to screw it back, this cap on, and that's why I wanted to check it first, because I know it's going to be awkward getting this on. It's not going to, and the camera's right where I want to be. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. It's quite strong, that spring, and with those, this has got a new coarse thread on it, so there we go. Do that up quite tight. There we go. And that's our oil filter fitted. And that's the old cap, and we'll be getting rid of that one.